Hello, everybody. Porch Light here, and I'd like to welcome you to the first frost of 2025. Well, not really. It's the first frost of the garden season. No, that's not it. The, the first new frost of 2025. Jesus. Because obviously, there was a frost prior to this. You get it. Yeah, it came in strong, y'all. Came in strong. So let's see what we got left. Oh, yeah. I was really counting on bringing these guys in. In the last video, you heard me. Yeah. Whew. Oh man, yeah. This is ooh. Yeah. I maybe. Oh no. I think this is a wrap for these guys. I may be able to save this because with peppers, they're pretty resilient on the stems. But yeah, I think we are ding ding for everything else. The winter stuff is still good. But yeah, those pepper plants took a beating. Whew. Oh, let's go ahead and check the. Oh, yeah, potatoes is definitely about to get harvest, y'all. Ooh, sheesh. Yep. So we didn't have room before. We definitely got room now. Hui. Mind you, it is 11 o'clock EST. So it's had some time to pucker back up, wake back up. Sun hit a little bit and it's still like, oh yeah, these might as well go in the freezer. Yeah, ding ding, y'all. Now this is looking beautiful. Yep. See if anything over here made it. Oh yeah. That's ding ding, y'all. I may still pull the actual plant, but yeah, that is ding ding. Oof. Yep. Yep. Now I had oh, this guy. Those leaves are done. Trying to see if there's anything that was hiding up under something that may have missed the actual freeze, but I'm not really finding no luck there. Even this guy here. Oh, wait a minute. He's done. All those guys are done. Not even that guy right there. Now, wait a minute. No, that looks like spinach. Well, this is a surprise. Didn't know borage was frost hardy. Huh. I knew it was coming. Yeah, it came through like, ooh, this is crazy. And something told me to pull these plants. I had a chance. Something told me. Look at this guy. Now I got most of the big joints, but I definitely missed them. I mean, I'm gonna pull them, see if they can look like some. Maybe I'll put them in the freezers so I can do green tomatoes. I don't know. Sheesh. Yep. Well, it's officially end of the summer gardening season. How about that? I'm just still gonna pull some of these. Yeah, I'm pulling this guy. The leaves can fall off, but I'm definitely pulling this guy. And this guy probably, because the stems is still good. It just looks like the leaves is out for the count. I may actually give it another day, but I know we got a frost coming in 2 days, so I may just be asking for trouble. Whoop, ooh, wait a minute. This may, we got a survivor, y'all. Ooh, and there's another, I think it's another eggplant over here somewhere. If so, I think he's ding ding. Yeah. Yep. These guys gotta come, so I gotta grab all this stuff right now. Welp. Part of me wants to leave it there. I don't know why. I'm gonna check the weather again. Well, we got another 30-degree thing. I'm taking it, but I'm definitely taking this guy in. You don't gotta survive it like that and not take him in. And there was another pepper plant in here. I think this is the one. Oh yeah, I got him too. But I think of all the pepper plants, the ones over here got hit the least. So I'm gonna probably pull that guy, and that there's a jalapeno plant over here. That was producing real well for me. And this got hit, but it's not like drooping like the other ones. It's still got, yeah. I'm gonna take a couple of these, the eggplant and this jalapeno, maybe one of those pepper plants there, and yeah, and we gonna cut this fruit off and see what happens, y'all. Well, next time you see this garden, it's gonna look a lot different. What's like, dude?